A historic snowstorm is currently gripping various regions of the northeastern United States. In Watertown, snowfall is expected to exceed 5 feet over the weekend. Snow removal teams are working tirelessly to keep the roads clear. In Mentor, Ohio, the snowstorm began on 29th of November, bringing heavy snowfall and strong winds throughout the day, making conditions challenging. Forecasts suggest that several feet of snow could accumulate in this event. In Erie, Pennsylvania, snowfall has already reached 22 inches, with some areas likely to see up to 4 or 5 feet. Major roads such as Highway 5 and I-90 have been shut down. Many vehicles are stranded, and rescue operations are ongoing. Mayville, New York, has also recorded 17 inches of snowfall. Heavy snow and reduced visibility have made it nearly impossible for locals to travel. This snowstorm is a powerful example of nature's force and human resilience. Everyone is urged to stay cautious and remain safe during this extreme weather.